gentlemen, start your shopping engines now. It's Black Friday. So here's the deal. We got a monster deal that you definitely don't want to miss. Actually, we've got two deals. One is sweet, one is extra sweet that comes with actually like an $80 free gift. All right, so here's the deal. Spend $50. There's a code around here for 20% off, which is sweet. That's a lot of dinero that you're saving. But if you want to stretch and reach a little higher, you spend $100, you're getting a code for 20% off, but you're also getting to pick a free gift set. We've got 4 amazing gift sets for you to pick from, up to $80 in free grooming goodness. Gentlemen, the deal is now. Do not wait. This is a monster. Spend $50, 20% off. Spend $100, get 20% off plus a free gift valued at over $80. Gentlemen, now is the time. All the info is around here somewhere. Do not wait. Black Friday, it is now. It is awesome. It is amazing. Get it done now.